Dude, I think we better start.
What?
I think we better start.
Oh, I think you said start or something like that. So, welcome to the Superbook show.
Dude, what is it?
When that little hedgehog dies at the end, it really gets me. Right here, man. Right here.
Okay, I can't pretend it was sad. Not snotty tissue sad, but hey. Do you think there'll be animals in heaven?
Oh, one of those questions.
Those?
I don't know if anyone can say for sure. The Bible really never says. You have to draw your own conclusion.
Okay, then what do you believe?
Well, I believe animals will be in heaven. I don't know if pets will be there, but I do think the animals will be there.
I sure hope so. I love my puppy.
And Jesus does too. But I gotta be honest, I've never seen anything about pets in heaven.
Okay, fair point. So why do you believe there'll be animals in heaven then?
Well, first off, Genesis.
Thus the heavens and the earth and all the host of them were finished.
I believe God made things in the beginning how he wanted them to be.
Yes, he is God.
And wouldn't you agree that Eden was a heaven on earth?
Yes, it seemed that way.
So if animals were with us on Eden, heaven on earth, then why wouldn't they be with us on heaven?
Solid question. I can't think of a reason why not. But
Am I winning you over?
maybe. But regardless, I really hope there's animals in heaven.
Me too. Why do you want animals in heaven so badly?
Because it's heaven, dude. That means all the hard stuff about taking care of animals will be so much easier.
Like what?
Well, I'm no Bible scholar, but if it's heaven and there's animals there, that means they must already be potty trained, right?
What?
No heavenly birds leaving not so heavenly surprises on your head. Yeah, heaven's gonna be great.
His word is forever alive. Please download the Superbook Bible app today.
And check us out at superbook.cbn.com or our Facebook page. See you next time. Dude, what is it?
I don't want them to go.
That means they already are potty trained.
What?
Well, not
Hey Quinn. Yeah, actually do that. Thank you.
I don't want to start from the beginning. I can't use all my energy.
Okay.
So
Yeah, Quinn, come. I'll tell you
Were we
otherwise,
recording?
okay?
Okay. Oh.
yeah.
Oh. We were just
What?
running through.